Let's solve this equation together. It says AB plus A is equal to 32 and AB plus B is equal to 35. We are required to find the sum of A and B. Okay, so if we forget to find A plus B, now let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now let's say factorizing equation 1, we have A into B plus 1 is equal to 32. And here we have B into A plus 1 is equal to 35. Alright? Now from here, we can say let's express B in terms of A. So that we have from equation 2, okay, remember that this equation 2 and this equation 1. From equation 2, okay, we now have that B would be equal to 35 all over A plus 1. Alright? Let's call this equation 3. Now let's substitute equation 3, okay, into equation 1 for B. So we're going to have A into 35 all over A plus 1 is equal to 32. Okay. Now from here we have that A into A plus 1 times A plus 1 is A plus 1. So we have 35 plus A plus 1 all over 35 is equal to 32. Okay. Moving on from here, we would have A into 35 plus 1 is 36 plus A all over, sorry, this is A plus 1 on the denominator, sorry for the mistake, all over A plus 1, okay, is equal to 32. Alright, now from here we can say, let's cross multiply. So cross multiplying from here, we now have A into 36 plus A is equal to 32A plus 32. Now, from here, on the other hand, you can expand this to become 36A plus A squared is equal to 32A plus 32. Collecting like terms, you now have A squared plus 36A minus 32A minus 32 is equal to 0. Right? Now, 36A minus 32A is 34A, so we have A squared plus 4A actually minus 32 is equal to 0. Alright, so solving this quadratic equation, we have to use the factorization method, okay? And factorizing this would have, okay, that the product of 32 is 8 and 4. So we have minus 4 times 8 will give you minus 32, and minus 4 plus 8 will give you 4, alright? So you see, okay? So from here we now have that A is equal to 4 or negative 8. Okay. Now, but we say recall. So we say recall equation 3. Recall equation 3. Which states what? Which states that B is equal to 35 all over A plus 1. Now, what is A? A is 4. So we have that B, when A is 4, okay, when A is 4, B is equal to, okay, 35 all over 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is equal to 7. Alright. B, when A is minus 8, will be equal to 35 all over minus 8 plus 1 is negative 7. And this is equal to negative 5. Okay. So we have that B is equal to 7 or negative 5. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.